Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you're doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love. Thank you, and I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. I will try my level best to deliver all the messages whichever I am getting for you, Aquarius. So this is your general love reading for the month of July 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the important messages which I need to deliver to you. So before starting your reading, I want to give you some messages which I got while doing my meditation, while doing the pre-shuffling of the cards. And the message was that there is some tower moment which is happening in your life, Aquarius. Okay, there is some unexpected big changes which is going to happen in your life in the month of July. This is the divine intervention. Okay, divine intervenes in your situation when you have to make the necessary changes, when you have to make the necessary decisions in your life. Okay, you have to make necessary changes, but you do not make that changes. So divine has to intervene in your situation so that you can make that changes in your life. So tower is not bad at all, Aquarius. Tower is always good because it brings beautiful things for you. And why I'm saying that, because here I'm having the star and the rainbow. Many of you can see the rainbow these days a lot. That can be a possibility here. Okay, and there are new hopes, new desire which are coming for you. The star card is here. So after the tower, the star is coming for you. Okay, the second message which I was getting here, the high priestess, psychic ability, trust your intuition. Here okay, I hope it is visible for you. You have to trust your intuition. You right now you are very intuitive. Your psychic abilities, your third eye is activated right now, Aquarius. So use your intuition. Okay, whatever is happening in your life, use your intuition, use your psychic abilities. Then the third message which I was getting for you is Knight of Swords. Someone is rushing towards you, Aquarius, at a very high pace. They're coming at a very high pace. Now let's see who is coming here, Aquarius, for you here. But someone is rushing towards you at a very high speed. This is the highest speed in the tarot deck. Okay, they're coming. So who is coming and why they are coming? Okay, so let's see and let's start your reading. Okay, let's start and let's see what are the messages. I have already uploaded your main reading. You can have a look on that too, your general reading. Okay, they're keeping an eye on you, Aquarius. Whoever is coming towards you here, they're keeping an eye on you. And the person who is keeping an eye on you can be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, an air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini, and they can be a water sign. 0333 is the recording reading time. Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. So these can be the sign here. Sign can be anyone, but these are the three signs which I was getting here. So you are waiting for your ships to come in. You're waiting for the clarity here, and the clarity is coming towards you. Maybe you are waiting for your clarity, Aquarius, and this person is coming towards you to give the clarity. Okay, they are coming towards you to give the clarity. Ace of Swords and the Three of Wands. They're coming towards you to give the clarity. Can you see this person? This man is holding a sword in the hand, and here also there is a sword in the hand. This is the clarity. So maybe you want some kind of clarity, and this person is coming towards you to give you the clarity. And this person can be your twin flame, and it automatically comes out. You can see in the video, it comes naturally, I can say that. Okay, this card comes for you. So this can be your twin flame, 1111 card, 4 of Wands, or you are already married with this person, but use your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, so now let's start your reading. Guide, please guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages which are necessary for Aquarius for the month of July 2021. Please give me the messages which are important to deliver. Please give me the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of July 2021? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Wands. Okay, now let's start the messages. What are the messages? Please give me the messages for Aquarius July 2021 which are important to deliver. The Star. I told you, new hopes, new desires are coming for you, Aquarius. This is your energy, your card. Healing is coming towards you. The new hopes, new desires are coming towards you. Okay, what are the messages? Magician. So you are doing some kind of manifestation, Aquarius. Let me see. What are you manifesting? Wow. You are manifesting the stable, committed offer. The Ace of Pentacles. That's what you are manifesting here. Can you see? This is beautiful, Aquarius. You're manifesting new hopes, new desire in your life. You're manifesting stability, commitment, marriage proposal, anything which is stable, which you can touch. That's what you are manifesting, and it is coming, Aquarius. Ace of Pentacles is here. Please give me the message. What are the message for Aquarius? King of Swords, Ace of Cups. Wow. Right now you are in the energy of King of Swords. You are emotionally unavailable to this anyone, Aquarius. You want commitment, you want stability in your life, but right now you are emotionally you are not available here, Aquarius, for anyone. Okay, but someone is offering you a cup which is full of emotions. Ace of Cup, emotional fulfillment. You already know the truth, what you want. You already know that, and you will cut any person who will try to manipulate you, cheat you. Your guards are up, basically. Seven of Wands and the Seven of Swords. Maybe you can see the number synchronicities of 777. Okay, Seven of Wands and the Seven of Swords. Okay, your guards are up. I just told you this. Your guards are up around those persons, those energy who try to manipulate you. That's why your self-defensive mode is on. Your guards are up. You're saying no more lying, cheating, manipulation, mind games. I don't want that. Okay, so your guards are up. What else? What else? Not going to take it. No. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message. Three of Swords. So maybe this person put you in a third party situation, or you have went through a heartbreak recently. Someone put you in a third party situation here. They broke your heart here, and because of that lying, cheating, manipulation, mind games, third party situation, your guards are up. Your self defensive mode is on. Your King of Swords energy, you are in your you are not in your emotions right now. You are emotionally detached right now, Aquarius. Okay, you want stability, you want commitment. You do not want this kind of energy right now in your life. What is the message you want me to deliver? Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Eight of Wands. Ten of Cups. This is beautiful. Strength. You have to keep your strength, Aquarius. There is a communication. A lot of communication is coming towards you, okay? 0906 is the recording reading time. And there is Ten of Cups here. So someone wants to create, happy family, happy life with you, abundance of everything with you, and for that they're going to call you here. There is a lot of communication which is coming towards you. Maybe you can see a lot of 10 number synchronicities, Aquarius. That can be a possibility here. Okay, yes, I told you there will be a tower here. 0936. There is a tower, there is unexpected changes which are coming, but do not worry at all. Right now you have to keep your temperance, your patience, Aquarius, with you. Okay, keep your temperance, because you are completing a cycle, you're closing out a cycle with someone here. You are closing out a cycle here. The tower is here, that's the energy bottom of the deck. And because of this energy, maybe you are in this energy of Five of Cups. Don't be in this energy of Five of Cups, sad, remorse, guilt, focusing on the past. No, do not do that, because whatever is happening in your life right now, do not worry. Maybe this is happening because this is the divine intervention, this is the tower. Okay, but someone wants to create 10 of cups with you, Aquarius. Maybe you have dealt with someone who was manipulative, who plays mind games with you. They put you in a third party situation, maybe they broke your heart. Okay, but it's okay, because this was the divine protection. Sometimes delay in your plan is the divine protection. That's the message I'm getting for you, Aquarius. Delays in your plan is the divine protection for you. So don't be in this energy of Five of Cups. Okay, now let's see more messages. In the extended, I'm going to clarify these cards, okay, in the deeper level. But you are manifesting something, Aquarius, and you are manifesting stability. 11:11 is the recording reading time. Someone tried to manipulate you, you already know that, because King of Swords is someone who already know the truth, and you cut them immediately, and your guards are up right now. But do not worry, because you're closing out a cycle, you are completing a cycle, you're ending a cycle, and the tower is going to happen here. The tower is happening. Now let's see what are the oracle messages for you. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages for Aquarius, July 2021, for this reading. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Emperor. Okay, what is the message? Hermit. What is the message? Magician, Strength, and the Moon. Okay, so you have to keep your strength, Aquarius. Again, the Strength card is here, but Moon is here, so that's why the confusion is here. That's what you want, the clarity. You are manifesting something here, Aquarius. Any other message? Right now you have to keep your temperance, your patience. I told you this. You have to keep your temperance, okay? Keep your patience, keep your temperance with you. Have patience. Divine is working in your connection, okay? So have patience here, Aquarius. Right now you are doing your manifestation, that is for sure. Any other message? Any other message? The Empress. Bottom of the deck, I'm having High Priestess. Okay, Devil wants to come out, but I don't think that I have to take the Devil. I do not know why. 1313 is the recording reading time. See, that's what my intuition was trying to tell me. This is not the card which I want to take it, but divine Devil was coming. There is something which is toxic, maybe the Seven of Swords, lying, cheating, manipulation, or the third party situation. That can be a reason. That's why the Devil wants to come out. But do not worry at all, because bottom of the deck again I'm having the High Priestess, Aquarius. Okay, use your intuitions. Your intuition is trying to guide you exactly. Right now you have to keep your patience and use your intuitions. Can you see? Right now you are in Empress mode. Some of you are getting pregnant also, Aquarius. That's the message I'm getting here. Okay, or you're giving the birth to new creativity or new ideas. That can be a possibility. But keep your patience and use your intuition. And the person with whom you are dealing with, they are right now in a hermit mode. Okay, they are having a confusion. Basically, they do not know what they want, but they are looking the answers from within themselves. They're doing the soul searching by going into hermit mode. They are manifesting here. The Magician is here and gaining the strength to approach you, basically, but confusion is here. The Moon energy is here, but this is your divine counterpart here, Aquarius. because here I'm having the Emperor and the Empress. 1441 was the recording reading time. Okay, the Emperor and the Empress, so you both belong with each other. Okay, you both belong with each other, so this is someone with whom you are destined to be. Okay, you both are destined to be together here, the Emperor and the Empress. So now let's see more messages. Let me add one message. See, I just cut it out and the messages. This is a spiritual connection. This is beautiful, Aquarius. A relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. This is a connection with whom you are having a many past lives together. This is a past life connection, Aquarius, you are dealing with. Okay, either this is your soulmate or this is your twin flame. Okay, this is your spiritual connection. I just told you this is someone with whom you are destined to be together. This is your twin flame or this is your soulmate. This is your spiritual connection basically. Okay, wow. Then there is I love you 1551 is the recording reading time. These are powerful words, so I'm going to take these two messages for you. This is a spiritual connection, Aquarius, you are dealing with. Whatever, whomever you are dealing with, this connection is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, right now you have to keep patience. Have patience, Aquarius. That's the message here also I'm having. Love is patient and kind and always, so have patience. This is beautiful. I love it. Let me add one message from Archangel. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me one message. Wow. Archangel Chamuel is here. And open your heart to give and receive love. Your essence is love. Love is your energy, Aquarius. This is what Archangel Chamuel is telling you, that open and receive love. As your love is your energy. Okay, your essence is love. That's beautiful message. Let's see one message from Angel Powers. There is some kind of celebration also which is coming for you. Okay, one message for Aquarius. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me one message. There are too many messages, but I'm going to take it all because that they are saying me to take it, because okay, I'm going to take it. Okay, the first message for you is discernment. Follow your intuition, Aquarius. That's very important message for you for today. Okay, you need to follow your intuition. Okay, follow your intuition, discernment. Angel of Wisdom, pursue knowledge and spiritual growth. Angel of Wisdom is here. Okay, and they're saying you that pursue knowledge and spiritual growth. Then there is powers of angel. May your angel protect you, guide you and keep you safe. That's beautiful. Then there is angel of actions. Take action towards your destiny. 1818 is the recording reading time. Maybe you can see a lot of butterflies, clouds these days. Okay. Then there is perfect timing. Divine timing ordered by the angels. It's never too late or never too early. So everything is happening according to the divine timing. Trust the divine timing. That's very simple and straight message from here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see one message from Chakra Wisdom. Either you are having confusion or your divine counterpart is having confusion, but I think your divine counterpart is having confusion. Okay, impasse. What is the message you want me to give? Wisdom. Okay, so first message for you is impasse, and which says what's done is done. This card can indicate the end of a great emotional upset. The power to change direction for the better is supported in rust. Your angel appears to protect you in the long run. There is a detour. not a no. Be in the here and now. Things will change. Go where you are led for now. Just go with the flow, Aquarius. Whatever has happened has already happened. What's done is done. Okay, there is an end of great emotional upset. Okay, this is done. This is done. 5 of Cups energy. Enough of it. Don't be in this energy of 5 of Cups. Okay, then there is wisdom, and this is lot of wisdom is coming towards you after this. I can say after this whole scenario, you're becoming more wise than before. You're receiving a lot of wisdom, knowledge from the divine, from the universe, from the Mother Earth, from your partner. Okay, so that's beautiful message here I'm having. Let me add one message from the activation. What is activating for Aquarius? Please tell me what is activating for Aquarius. What activations are happening in the month of July? Healing. Beautiful. The frequency of healing supports our instinct ability to restore our health and wholeness by consciously using the information that comes to us through our senses and harmonizing everything accordingly. So healing is activating for you, Aquarius. You have to complete your healing on your heart chakra here. Okay, you have to heal your heart. Healing is activating for you. Maybe you can see number synchronicities of 1111. Okay, so that's beautiful message here. Thank you for giving the message. Wow, I just cut it out, and can you see there was bottom of the deck I was having Shiva. Recording time 2121, and there is Krishna. So this is very powerful messages. You are having the blessings of Krishna and Shiva, and that's very beautiful. And that's my favorite one, which these are the idols of me basically, okay, which I follow. Shiva is the father of me, of everyone, I can say that. Okay, so now let's add one message for Aquarius, July 2021. Please give me one message which is important to deliver. It wants to come out again. Krishna. Let's read it out for you, Aquarius. That's beautiful message. Krishna is a god of compassion and love. What does it feel like to be totally raptured and captivated with love for the divine? This is the essence of Krishna. You have entered a time where you have realized love is something so much greater than passion between two people. Instead, it is the origin of all life, where everything blossoms. You have trusted in the greater forces of the universe, and in return it supports you with its all-encompassing arms, embracing you like stars in the sky. Continue trusting that the divine is omnipresent, and that you are not only a part of the universe, but the entire universe exists inside of you. Krishna also reminds you that play is a form of prayer. Okay, so that's beautiful. This is a god of compassion and love. Okay, so this is very beautiful message which I'm getting here for you, Aquarius. I love today's message. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the butterflies. One message. Wow. You are stronger than you know, Aquarius. You are much stronger than you know. That's beautiful message here. Now let me add one message from this. Okay, it just wants to come out. I'm going it. Bird flying, and there is wind chimes. Peace and harmony news is on its way. So there is a news which is coming for you, Aquarius. News is on the way, and peace and harmony is coming for you. Okay, excuse me. Sorry. Okay, so this was the message. Now let's see what are the signs you are dealing with. 1 minute. Let me add one message from Secret of Life. One message for Aquarius. Bottom of the deck I'm having Divine Masculine. Can you see? There is Divine Masculine and there is alignment. Your Divine Masculine is getting aligned. Okay, alignment is happening here. There is a soul family message here. You have to connect with your soul family. Okay, soul family is the message which I'm getting here for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, what are the signs Aquarius dealing with for this reading? Please give me the signs. What are the signs? What are the signs? Okay. What are the signs? Okay, so you can be dealing with Cancer or Pisces. Okay, water sign. You can be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, all five. Okay, so you can be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. You can be dealing with an earth sign Capricorn or Taurus. Okay, Taurus and Capricorn. And you can be dealing with Aries or Gemini. Sorry, Aquarius and Gemini, air sign. So maybe you are dealing with an Aries, that can be a possibility, but Aquarius or Gemini. So these were the signs which you can be dealing with. So this was your reading. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. In the extended, I'm going to see these messages, these energy on a great level. Okay, why there is Seven of Swords and many more things. I hope it resonates with you, and sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching my video. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and if you want to tell me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.